Hi, folks. It's me again with another video. And to start this one, I have one simple question to ask you. Aren't you tired of writing something, giving it to an AI chatbot to refine or polish or to lengthen or to shorten? And the response you get, although it's solid, sounds absolutely nothing like you? Now, this is a challenge I face pretty often. If I'm, writing a post and I need some refinement, giving it to an AI chatbot, I get a response. It sounds nothing like me. So this is why I was very excited when Anthropic announced the new style feature in Claude. And what this feature lets you do is to personalize your chats with Claude. So instead of just getting a generic response from Claude, you can specify the style of the responses you want based on previous writing samples. So you can upload or paste some writing samples, could be blog posts, could be LinkedIn posts, it could be anything that you've written in the past. And Claude will take that and analyze it to create custom styles that you can use while chatting with the chatbot. To start, though, Claude gives you three main styles: formal, concise, and explanatory. But like I mentioned, you can create your own custom styles that lets you chat with Claude in different styles. All right, enough talking. Let's see this in action. So now we're back on the Claude homepage and we have the regular Claude interface here. But if you notice, there's a choose style dropdown. And in here, you can start with some of the pre-configured styles of formal, concise, explanatory. You can actually start here and create or edit your own custom styles. If you see here, we have this career catalyst style. This is something I made previously using LinkedIn posts that I've made on career and productivity and things like that. And down here, we can go ahead and create a new custom style. So you can share writing examples or describe what you want the style to do. And to start, let's add writing examples. You can either upload from a device or paste the text content. Let me show you the content we're going to be using. We're going to be using recent LinkedIn posts I've made around AI tools and products and news. And we're going to use this content to create a new style. Let's see what Claude comes up with. So I'm just going to take all this content. I have 5 posts here. Just going to copy all of them. I head back to Claude and paste the text context or text content. You can see everything is in here. And we're going to create a style. Now, Claude is analyzing my writing and it's going to create a new profile specifically for the content that I've just uploaded. So let's give it a few seconds. Oh, it's already done. Okay, nice. So you can see the custom style it's created. It's called it Text Spark. I like that. It says the style delivers enthusiastic, informative content that engages audiences through dynamic AI technology insights. Perfect. You can also start with customizing the style a little bit. You can start with some of these pre-configured prompts, but I want to also say make the style content accessible to all audiences. Okay, because the way I write AI LinkedIn posts, I want people, regardless of their knowledge or expertise with AI, to be able to understand it and use it. All right. And on the right side, you can preview with an example to just see how that style performs. I prefer to just go and prompt it, but let's preview an example. Let's do product review. So it's going to say create a product review for wireless headphones. So Claude is going to give us a response with my style. Okay. Okay, this is not bad. It does. I think it. I have to read it a bit more, but it does from the start sound like me because I see here game changer. That that does sound like me in a way. But let's go and actually use this inside of the prompt chatbot. We'll use style. So after we've saved the style, it shows up in our list here, and we can select to use it. Now I'm going to ask Claude to then leverage this style to create a LinkedIn post for me. So I've asked it to create a LinkedIn post specifically on Claude's new styles feature. So you may actually see this in the post. And we've given some instructions. We've also provided it the description of the feature. And it's going to leverage this text spark style to create the post. All right, let's see how it does. Okay, thinking deeply. Okay, so we've now come back and gotten a response from Claude. Okay, and here you can see he uses game changing, which I think is something I have in my vocabulary. Okay, so I think this kind of sounds like me. Like I mentioned, I have to probably read it a bit more in depth and compare it to some of my earlier writings, but I think overall this is pretty solid. So I think I'm going to take this, tweak it a little bit, and for the most part, this is probably the post I'm going to use for this video. And yeah, this is, I think, a cool feature that I think everyone should get their hands on and try. It's available to all Claude users. And it's a feature that I really would want to see, first of all, in all the other AI chatbots, and two, in products like email services, right? I can imagine having AI in my inbox, in my email, helping me draft a response to another email, but I want that response to match my style. I can see this in text messaging apps. So it's going to be an exciting feature that I think can be leveraged across all other AI tools or all other products that have some type of AI writing assistance. Yep, that's it. I encourage you to check it out. Let me know if you have any questions and can't wait to see what you do with it. All right, peace.